Hello YouTube, welcome to part 2. We got this straightened out. This is an anvil we started making years ago and never finished it. It's kind of crappy. But we did have it upside down and was using this spot. And it won't fall. We kind of had it on like this, but it's kind of shaky, but we got it straightened out enough. Now we're going off to drill some extra bolt holes for the handle. So stay tuned. Okay, we're done. We're gonna have to pick up some bolts the right length because we're gonna change this clip out for a bolt. We want something that's more compact. I could saw this up, but I'd rather just pick up some because I might need a long bolt. That's just the carriage bolts. We may put regular with a head on it. We got our hole from when we go the other position to the four-wheel cart. So all we have to do is put the wheels on it. I did chip the paint down there, but someday I might take the sanding flapper disc, clean that all up. I just sanded it off and touched it up where it chipped. You can see right in there where it all chipped off. It's just a cheap bed liner undercoating stuff. It just flakes off. You can just touch it and it falls off. So that's why we just put some flat black to do our touch-ups. So there you go. I'll snap a picture. A couple of them, I'll put the wheels back on so you can see what it looks like with the wheels on and the handle the other way, but we showed that probably in another video. So thanks for watching. We're all done with this thing for now. Well, it's not that much work. The hardest part was picking up and putting on my anvil thing outside and beating it with a sledgehammer, but there we go. Fixing something that's damaged and modifying it, putting so it has a bolt on each side. I just cannot have a cart like that. So, thanks again for watching.